The application of Western norms, which are not always in accord with the values of Malaysian society, do not allow for a direct comparison of standards emanating from the West. By contrast, Malaysia, with its multicultural population and diversity of legal and cultural traditions and economic and political structures, has evolved over centuries a value system which differs considerably from the traditions of the West. But it is not the role of the courts to make popular decisions. The function of the court is to adjudicate on disputes according to the law and its spirit. It is equally important to stress that in public interest cases, the rule of law in the form of due process has always been strictly adhered to. Reasoned decisions were handed down within a reasonable time. In short, there is a genuine adherence to the rule of law. There was considerable criticism of some of court decisions, particularly from civil society, as violating individual freedoms and curtailing freedom of speech and association. In making this decision, the standards applied by way of comparisons are those of mature Western-oriented democracies. With respect to the application of Western norms, as I stated earlier, are not always in accord with the values and culture of Malaysian society. The Malaysian value system is encapsulated in our Rukun Negara, more particularly the pledge, which sets out the core principle by which our citizens abide, namely belief in God, loyalty to the king and country, upholding the constitution, rule of law, and good behavior and morality. In upholding these values, there is often a fundamental tension between protecting the interests of the community at large as against the constitutional protection of individual rights. It should be made clear that I am by no means opposing the right of individual citizens to dispute government policies, acts, and omissions when they feel that genuine wrongs are being perpetrated. However, this does not validate the use of unlawful means to correct perceived wrongs. This would, in effect, encourage the populace to disregard the law as and when they see it, which is converse to the letter and spirit of the rule of law.